What's up, everybody? I'm so excited to tell you guys about something new that I got. I'm gonna do an unboxing video today, but it's called a SetPower X50. And what this thing is, it's a refrigerator that runs off of a battery. Yeah, a battery. So it could run off of 12 volt, it can run off of 120, or it's got a battery that you set up and it could run depending on if you do cold or how cold and whatnot. It can run almost half a day, and some people say that it runs even a full day. So let's test this thing out. Here it is. This is what it is. This is what it looks like when it comes to you shipped. I'll do all the measurements and I'll do all the good stuff when we get to it. Let's unbox this thing. Comes packaged pretty good. I've never done an unboxing video before, so if I'm doing something wrong, please write it in the comments. Otherwise, I'll just act like I know what I'm doing and, I'll keep going. But if I don't, then please correct me in the comments. This thing's got its own compressor. It has really a lot of cool features in here. And the whole thing about actually taking it and being able to put it in your vehicle if you're going outside to the beach for all day and not having to worry about ice, not having to worry about, anything else except for throwing your stuff in here and booking. That's just a big seller to me, I think, honestly, because, oh wow, look at this, it's fancy looking. Oh my, look at this. SetPower, that's the name of it. What else is in here? So, hey, this thing is actually a fridge or a freezer. So you can set your temperature to be only freezer or only refrigerator. So that's exciting. Let's see what's in this box. What is this? You get a bunch of stickers. Look at this. Wow. Huh. I wonder if I'll be using this for the kids. I don't know. Okay. Put this to the side. This over. So this box contains the power cables. Like I said, here's the brick. Here's your 120. Or here's this and your 12 volt. Super cool. Let's see how heavy this guy is to pull it out of here and how you pull it out of here. Oh, it's got handles. Oh man, it's not heavy at all. It's not heavy. I gotta go grab our scale. I want to see how heavy this is. I want to take out the little packaging beans out of here. Yeah. Here's where it plugs in. It has wheels. I mean, it's just like a cooler. It's not. Here's the inside. It is big too. We're gonna get to the specs in no time here, but it's pretty big. I like how big it is. Supposedly its compressor is sitting up top somewhere in here, so that's neat. You can't really damage the compressor. It's sitting in this area. I'm sure somewhere in this area over here is where it is. It's got a fancy handle. Look at that. Wow. What is this? Bottle opener for somebody if they need it. You can strap it You can do some straps with it. Strap it to wherever. Nice. I'm gonna go get a scale. We're gonna weigh this thing. See how heavy it is. Here's where the back. Whoops. I'm sorry, SetPower. You might have to send me a new cover. This is where its battery goes, I believe. Yeah, that's it. Let's open up the battery. It actually comes separate from the unit itself, so. I like how everything is nice and simple to unpackage. Not a whole lot of stuff. Not a whole lot of junk and garbage. And voila. Just like that. Let's put this in. Let's see that it goes like this. Little rivets right there. And there's some rivets right in there. Can't go wrong, you just go boom. And when you're looking to take it out, go like this, and it releases it. Okay, that's simple. I was just acting like I know something. I really don't. So, battery is in here. Why don't we power it on with just the battery? Maybe battery's dead. I guess the battery comes dead. Let's see how much this thing weighs. With the battery. Could that be true? 38 pounds? This doesn't feel like 38 pounds. Let's try one more time. There's no way that's 38 pounds. 37.4. Maybe it is heavy. Or 37.4. We'll leave it at that. 37, 38 pounds, somewhere around there. Let's measure. So you guys know the exact dimensions. This sucker is 21.5 inches wide. Well, with the handle, we're gonna count handle because you can't do it without the handle. So 15 inches deep. And then as far as tall, we're looking at 23 inches tall. Yeah. Let's power this thing on. Pretty exciting. I was actually waiting for this thing to come in. I can use it in the van while I'm working, and then I can also use it if I go camping with the family or just for the day. It doesn't matter. If I go out for the day, we go to the beach, we don't have to haul ice anymore. We don't have to buy ice anymore. Ice could be expensive. Could be anywhere from $3 to almost $5 a bag. And usually you need like 2 bags of ice. So you're looking at, you know, somewhere around $8, maybe $10 even, depending on where you're at. I see the compressor, it's inside of here. So, I was telling you guys, and I see it, it's in there. It's powered on. Here it is. Nice white display. 14.7 volt. I'm sure it'll probably charge. Oh, and I heard it kick on. Okay, it says it's 68 degrees. I just want to see how this thing works. Inside of it right now, it's 68. I can feel the air getting pulled over here. Oh, it's got a fancy light. I didn't know that. That's nice. So you can actually see what you're getting in there. It's got a nice seal around here. It's got SetPower. so you guys don't forget who you bought the fridge from or freezer. About freezing, what is the normal fridge temperature? 38, 36? Let's leave it at 37. Okay. Okay. I like how this lid just locks in here. It's got a little lever in here. That's nice. So there's no way this thing can come undone. Do you guys know what I just found out? I'm like, what is this for? Is this for a phone? Yeah, it is. Guess what? Watch this. Oh, is it not gonna do it now? There it goes. Look at that. Fast wireless charging, 8 minutes until full. This thing has a built-in charger. Built-in cell phone charger, are you kidding me? Look at this. It's charging. It's hard to see that, but yeah. Now that's a fridge and freezer. Wow. So besides the stickers, it also actually comes with a SetPower guarantee. You see what they say? The people who came across this package must be the happiest people in the world. You know what? Today, I think I am. You know why? Because look at this guarantee. 30 days, no reason to return. SetPower will bear the freight for quality problems. Within 30 days, they'll pay the freight back, is what it says. Guarantee compensation, package damage. They'll take the freight responsibility. Guarantee repair. This is the best one, because I actually just opened this thing. Get this. 3 years on the compressor and 1 year for all other parts. SetPower will answer your messages in 24 hours via Amazon if you need technical support. If you buy it on Amazon or through Amazon, they'll answer you in 24 hours. But the whole 3-year guarantee, I don't think you can beat this, honestly. 3 years on the compressor and 1 year on all other parts. Because if you go to Home Depot and buy fridges, you have to buy special warranty to get any kind of anything. After your first, whatever, 90 days is when they do their returns or whatnot. I'm gonna read this a little bit more so I can, have a good explanation. But even this right here has a good explanation. If I read this good enough, that's good enough for me. They stand behind this. Within what, 9 minutes? Maximum 9 minutes is what it took to get from whatever it was, 68 to 37. 37 is what I set it for. I'll stop that. Let's see how. I don't have one of those electric thermometers. It'd be nice to have it. I'm not a professional refrigerator reviewer, but oh yeah, look at this. You feel the condensation? Probably won't see much, but look at this. Yeah, it's wet. You see the wetness on my fingers? It's cold in here. Touch it, Daniel.
Oh yeah, it's freezing.
Yeah?
Yeah, that's cold.
So you know I'm not lying. It's all cold in here. Wow. That's cool, huh? Okay. We'll leave it at that. We looked at it. Our home fridge is actually set for 37 degrees, and the freezer is set for -2. On here, I just actually set it to -4. We're gonna put this bad boy in freezer mode and see how long it takes to get it to freezing point. Let's restart our timer. Okay, we're at -4. Let's look at the timer. 22. 22 minutes. Stop. It's at -4. And I like the whole, I've got a piece of metal over here, so the charging is not gonna work. But when I take it off, that charging does work. And it's a 15-watt charger, so pretty cool. We went from 68 to 37 in like 9 minutes. From 37 to -4 in 20, whatever it was, 22 minutes, 22.5. So they claim it to be in 15, which, you know, everybody claims a little more, but we're a little quicker, but this is okay. SetPower. You guys can go to their website. I'm gonna give you a promo code. They have a ton of units. They have cheaper units, they have smaller units, they have bigger units, they have like whole, you know, like huge chest style fridges and freezers. They have half a fridge, half a freezer. They've got all kinds of stuff. Let's find out what exact cost is on this unit. I really wanna know now. You guys are gonna get 12% off that you guys are gonna get off of, should be off of any item that you buy through SetPower. And this exact model comes with either battery or without battery. With battery, right now, currently, it's at $619. Without the battery, it's $499. It is 50 cubic feet, so which is nice. I like that part. It's big, it's really nice. I mean, I don't see the point of buying this model, honestly, without the battery, but you do you know. For me, the whole benefit is actually of not having to have it plugged in. So you can take it out of your vehicle and go to the beach with it, or go camping with it for half a day or a full day, and it's gonna be, everything's gonna be cold in there. So that was my main reason of getting this unit, because I wanted the portability to go anywhere with it, which is really nice. So I'm gonna do a more extensive and deeper review once I actually use it, once I actually have, you know, personal time with it, and you know, hopefully it's gonna be a nice one. But if it's not, you guys will hear about it as well, because it's gonna go in my van and I'm gonna put food in it. So cool part is 12 volt, guys, not just, you know, 120, but 12 volts. So you don't have to have any kind of special inverters or anything like that to run this thing. Really nice. And that battery, that's just something else. Can't go wrong with it. So use promo code EAGLE Express with an X, XPRESS. You're gonna get 12% off, and I'll leave the link to their whole website down in the description. So you have to click on the description. It's gonna have their link to their whole website. Once you're there, take a pick, see what you like, see what you guys think about. You know, maybe you're gonna need a smaller unit, or maybe you're gonna want something bigger even than what this is. So I'll see you guys on the next one, and let me know if you guys have already bought this unit and what you think about it, or if you've already bought a unit of another kind from the same company, from SetPower. I'd like to know what your thoughts are and reviews about it, so let me know.